Welcome. This is Howdy Honda's web series on how to use the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Hello, this is Nick, product specialist here at Howdy Honda, and today I'm here to talk to you about the navigation that's built into your 2018 Accord. You get to it by tapping on this icon right here, and then once it loads up, you'll see your map, so of course it will be pointing in the direction that your car is facing. To tell it to go somewhere, you're going to tap on Where To, and from here you have quite a few options. You can select to go home, you can save places and go there to a later date. You can go where you've already been, pick different categories, and the like. Know the name of the place or the address? Just type it in on the search bar as shown here. Some other options on your GPS, you can tap on the three dots located on the top right here. Then you can stop your route, find a detour if there is traffic, check on traffic on their actual traffic map, see what's up ahead as far as rest stops, exit services. If you have no idea where you are, you can tap on the Where Am I icon, get exact coordinates, the nearest building, and other information that'll be helpful.